Guys, in this video we are going to see an example on how to use the summing amplifier. In this particular problem we are going to see how to find out this V out voltage. Okay, and for a summing amplifier we use this equation: V out voltage is equal to this negative RF over R1 V1, RF over R2 V2, RF over R3 V3, and we add them together. And if you want to know how did we derive this equation, you can watch my previous video. I have shown how did we derive this. Okay, here we have the input voltages provided, and also we have the accompanying resistance provided, and also we have the feedback resistance, that is this one. So we can find the V out voltage. Okay, all we have to do is just plug the values in this equation, and that's going to give us the V out voltage. Now let's go ahead and do that. V out is going to be equivalent to negative, the feedback resistance is 20 kilo ohm, so 20 kilo ohm divided by R1, that is 5 kilo ohm, 5k, multiplied by V1, that is 1V sine 205t, and then the next one is RF, the feedback resistance, that is 20k, divided by R2, that is 10k, multiplied by 2.5. Okay, let's avoid the unit for now, because if I put voltage I have to put ohm. Let's avoid the units, and 2.5 voltage, then sine 45t, and then we have, okay, this is for the second one. Now let's look at the third one, RF over R3, that is 20k divided by R3 is 10k, multiplied by the voltage, that is 1.5 times sine 75 5t. Now let's simplify this one. K cancels in all of them, K cancels here, K cancels, K cancels, and also we can cancel these zeros. Okay, for the first one we are going to have 4, because 20 divided by 5, that's going to be 4, so we are going to get negative 4 times 1, that's going to be 4, so 4 sine 205t, right? And then we are going to have 2 point, let's put the voltage now, let's put the voltage, 4 voltage sine 205t. Okay, because ohm cancels each other, we left with voltage. It's okay, let's avoid now, let's write the voltage in the final answer. So this one, 4 voltage sine 205t, this is going to be 2 times 2.5, that's going to be 5 voltage times sine 45t. And for the third one we are going to have 2 times 1.5, that's going to be 3 voltage times sine 75 phi t, and that's going to be our final answer. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.